What's up YouTube, this is Prince today TP101 with another tweet video for you guys. I wanted to make this video a couple days ago, but there was a nor'easter and the power went out for a couple of days, so like a day and a half, so I couldn't make the video. But I'm here again showing you guys another set of awesome tweaks, so make sure to like and subscribe for more. And yeah, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Cydia because I want to show you guys how to install the repo that I'll have linked in the description. So you want to open up Cydia, let it load. I want to show you guys the whole step so there's not any questions in the description. Just want to make everything transparent. If you get this when you open Cydia, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. It's because this is Sarik's repo, and remember Sarik's repo blocked Cydia, stopped Cydia from working, so the updated Electra basically blocked the repo. So just hit return to Cydia, and to add a repo you want to go to sources, and then you want to hit edit and add, and you want to add the repo on the screen right now, the repo right up here. So just add that repo, which is Cydia. Just type it in Cydia dot Kimo, K-I-I 3 I's M-O dot O-R-G / just like that, and then you want to hit add source. I already have it, so I won't do it. And you're gonna add another repo. You're gonna add again, and this one is gonna be petri.ch repo /. So you want to add those two repos. That's the first thing you want to do. Add those two repos. Once you're done, you want to go into the first one or the second one, which is the Ryan Petrich repo, and you want to download Bootstrap, RocketBootsrtap, that one right there. Sometimes when you install it, it'll automatically download and do everything for you. When you go to check it, it's already there. So you're gonna need this for the first tweak I'm gonna show you guys. So RocketBootsrtap, yeah, definitely need that for the first tweak. So let's head back out. The first one I want to show you guys is called Anemone. Anemone is a theming platform like Winterboard, but better. So you see this theme that I have on my phone right now? That's done with Anemone. And where is it at? Where the hell is it? Oh, here it is. So you open it up, and the theme that I'm using is called Lotus, and you could just basically disable or enable it. And once you do that, you could hit preview, and it will show you a preview of the theme, and then you just hit apply, and it will just jump to your springboard, and you'll have that theme right there. So let's go back in there, let's switch it up, let's disable that one, let's do milkshake, enable milkshake, apply. Now you can see I have a different theme. So yeah, this theme is called milkshake, and yeah, the tweak is Anemone. And then the other one is called Barmoji. Barmoji, if I go to Twitter and I go to send a tweet, you can see at the bottom of the icon, at the bottom of the keyboard, this used to be an empty space. This is only for the iPhone 10. This used to be an empty space, and now I have emojis right there that I could choose from, and I could send a tweet real quick, or in my text message. Basically anywhere where the keyboard is on the iPhone 10, you get this right here. It's called Barmoji, which is a real cool, because this was just empty space on the original. So that one is real cool. And the other one is called Casket. Casket, if I go to settings, or basically any app that I'm scrolling in. Hold up, that's Cydia. Where's my settings? See, when I scroll down, it gives that effect. That one is called Casket. Just like that. And actually you could go in there and you could switch it up to whatever you want. It's kind of fade in. But yeah, that one is called Casket, and the other one is called CC10, Control Center 10. Control Center 10 basically gives you the iOS 10 control center on your iOS 11. So that's all it does. It gives you the control center of iOS 10 on iOS 11. And then the other one is called DarkCC. If you see the control center is dark, so that one is called DarkCC. Just basically darkens up your control center. And then the other one is called ExtraIconDock. So if I go to, you see my dock down there, it has 6 icons. So that one is called ExtraIconDock. You could actually add more. If I go to settings, where is it at? I have mine on 6, but you see that you could add 10 or 4 regular, or 10 all the way up to 10. So yeah, that one is called ExtraIconDock. And then the other one is called EZCCX or EZCCX10. EZCCX10 basically adds control center from the bottom. It's kind of hard to do, but you know how you do your reachability? It just brings down control center instead of reachability, so you're quicker to get to your control center without having to swipe all the way up from the top. And that one is called EZCCX. So swipe down just like that. It's kind of hard to do, but as you can see right there. And then the other one is called FastUnlock. FastUnlock is obviously for the iPhone 10 only. Most of these is only for the iPhone 10, but you guys don't know that. So if I lock my phone and I know that it's me, it just opens up. It does. I don't have to swipe up after the lock, after the padlock unlocks. So it just knows it's me and just open automatically. That's the way it should have been from Apple, but it is what it is. So that one is called FastUnlock 10 or X. The 10 is always X for the iPhone 10, but yeah, FastUnlock 10. And the other one is called GlowBadge. As you can see, certain apps with a badge on it is kind of glowing. I don't know if you can see that. You see this one down here, that one. We got up here, we got a folder, we got these. So that one is called GlowBadge. Basically, once you get a badge on the icon on the app, it'll glow in the background. So yeah, GlowBadge. And the other one is called HideLabels 10. HideLabels 10 is a real cool tweak. If you want I got 5 apps across, and usually when you do that, the letters, the name of the apps get jumbled up. So just to make it clean, get rid of the labels. So yeah, HideLabels 10, beautiful. That's real dope, right? It just looks so good, and they got the reflections at the bottom. This whole setup is dope. So yeah. And the other one is called PulseHUD. PulseHUD is basically, it removes the volume HUD, the regular one. Oh, I got this cool one where you can see it's all the way up, so it's really green and big, but when I go all the way down, it's gonna be changing to like red. It gets real small, and then it goes back up. That one is called PulseHUD. And then the other one is called QuickFlash. QuickFlash is just triple tap on the power button and the flashlight will come on. Just like that. And you triple tap again, it goes away. So that's just like that, and it goes away. So that one is called QuickFlash. And then the other one is called RealCC. RealCC is basically in iOS 11, when you turn off your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi from Control Center, it doesn't really turn off, it just disables it. But with RealCC, you tap on it and it actually turns off in the settings. Before, it would just turn off in Control Center, but it would come back on, it would just disable it basically. So with RealCC, you tap it, it actually turns off like iOS 10 days. So that one is real cool. And then my other one is called Rooster. Rooster basically lets you turn off notifications with 3D touch. So if I have Twitter right here, I could 3D touch on it and I could disable notifications just like that. So I don't have to dig into settings to disable or turn on the notification. When I go back, you can say enable notification. So that one is called Rooster. And then my next one and the last one is called Anilaunch. If you see when I tap on the app, it kind of spins. If I tap right here, you can see that it's just animation launch, which is real cool. I just tap on anything, tap on the folder, it will do that. And you could actually go into settings. Let's go to settings real quick. And there it is. You could go in there, You could choose the animation. See, I got it rotate clockwise. Could do random, all these right in here. And you could choose the app, and it's just a lot of stuff. Just like that. You could disable or enable it. You could do the sound, all that kind of stuff. So this tweak has a lot, and I like it. It's just different. Anything to make my phone look a little bit different, you know what I mean, you got to do that. And there's some other stuff in here that you guys could mess with. You got GlowBadge. So basically anything that requires settings will be in the settings. You just go in there and set it up to your liking. What else we got? We got ExtraIconDock, as I said. We got, Casket. Let's go back to Casket. Let's try another one. Stretch. Was it on stretch before? But yeah, there you go, guys. So those are some awesome tweaks I wanted to show you guys, and I also want to do some videos on the themes. So remember to go to Cydia and add those repos for this to work. Before you try installing any of these tweaks, just add those repos and download. After you add the Ryan Petridge repo and set up Rocket Bootstrap, then you could download Anemone, and then you add the other one, and then you just search, go to search, and you could search for any one of the tweaks I just talked about. Casket, see, you got two right there. This one comes from Ryan Petridge. You could just choose whichever one, or Anilaunch. And you can't buy tweaks right now. So that's another thing. You can't buy any tweaks right now. So if you want it, you're gonna have to get another store, because Cydia hasn't enabled purchase yet in iOS 11 jailbreak. Who knows? He probably never will, because there's a lot of beef going on right now. So I don't want to get into that, but you gotta get it how you can. So yeah, just go to Cydia and search it and set it up like that. And this wallpaper will be on my Twitter, so follow me there. Follow me on Snapchat as well, and that one right there will also be there. So there you go. It's Prince with ATP 101. Rate, comment, definitely subscribe for more videos like that and like this. Peace. Thanks for watching.